One thing you'll need to do is list your business on Google My Business so that it can appear in Google local search results. And the first step is to visit google.com/business. Before you log in, here's a tip. When signing up for this, it's a good idea to create separate Google accounts to manage your listings. And this account should be tied to your corporate domain. Something like local or business@yourdomain.com will keep your business account tied to the organization and separate from your personal account. If you and the organization you're working for ever decide to part ways, this separation up front can help save you a lot of headaches later on. Once you've logged in for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter your business's name and address. Google will tell you if it already knows about your business, and if it does, you'll be able to quickly skip to the claiming steps that we're talking about next. But if Google doesn't find your business, you'll need to enter a few brief details. We'll go through a fictitious example here, and we'll start out by entering our company name into the business field. It's important that you don't try to add keywords to your company name to get a higher rank. Remember that consistency across your citations is extremely important to local search rankings, so this can hurt you, and it's against the terms of service. And since consistency in your name, address, and phone number is so critical, sometimes it can be helpful to ensure that there's a default that you're using everywhere you can. One quick and simple trick is to write out the business name, address, and phone number just once in a text file that's stored somewhere that anyone doing this kind of work can access. And when you're updating citations, you can just copy and paste the information from that document exactly. This will minimize the chances of the information being inconsistent or incorrect. The next step is choosing the category under which you're going to list your business. Category suggestions will appear as you begin typing, and you'll want to choose one of the suggested categories if you can. If you deliver your goods or services to your customers, you'll need to select this last option. For example, if you're running a taco stand, chances are your customers might be coming to you. But if it's a mobile taco stand, or for someone like a wedding photographer, you'll usually have to travel to your clients. If you happen to be a wedding photographer with a studio and you travel to your clients, or in my case, have a stationary and a mobile taco stand, you'll still want to select this option. Once you've successfully created a My Business account, you'll be asked to create a Google Plus account. After accepting Google's terms of service, business owners can then create and edit their Google Plus account. And here, you can provide more extensive details about your company. Note that you'll have to verify your account, and this can be done in some cases by mailing you a verification code, or in other cases by calling you with that verification code. Once that's done, we can move on. Now, we can edit our Google Plus details by clicking on the Edit button. You can edit any of the information that you've already entered, and you can add more information about your hours, for example, or you can add photos and an introduction. Generally, you'll want to provide as much information as you can throughout your listing. Remember, you may have potential customers that are searching on the go, and if they know for a fact that you're open at a particular time, or if they know that you accept a credit card that's in their wallet, that might be enough to bring them into your door instead of your competitors. Photos and video are a great way for you to showcase your business to potential customers, and really show them exactly what they'll be getting if they choose to do business with you. If you're a restaurant, for example, pictures of tempting plates of food and friendly service and a great atmosphere might win you a new customer. You might even put up a virtual tour of your salad bar or a walk around the dining room. Whatever your business, adding images and video to your profile can help someone decide whether to come in or stay away. Of course, once your listing is online, you can always come back to edit it or add photos and video or anything else that hasn't already been added to the listing. And the more you tell Google about your business, the easier it will be for the search engine to understand what your business is about, and then place you appropriately in the local search results. And the more detail you provide in your listing, the better chance you'll have of convincing customers to walk through your doors.